Jamaican journalist mom is here with another video. Country life, growing up as a child. Your mother had some stringent rule for you. Yes. And no for we never like the rule, like myself. I never like the rule. Every day me used to pray for get big. Yeah. Me pray for get big every day. And for go on my own. That is every Jamaican child dream. Especially when your parents whoop you look behind. Every day. So, when my father send me for water, man, for make up a fire, water, Because me have to go a bush, And me have to go plate wood like with hacks. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And make up a fire morning time, And boil tea. Because them the time they have your exercise and a show. Them what you can't do as a child, If you can't do it good, they say you're not going to get no man, you're not going to get no husband, and the man going to kick you so and beat you so. That them I tell you. So you have to learn domestication. You have to learn to be domesticated. When they send me for water, a skylark, me go skylark. Me and my brother them. We now come back for now. So at this is trap. Yeah. And then when you come from school, man, start to idle, man. Because we now want to come home and do no work. Because work you have to do, And in time, me I come home, me make sure people in the kitchen to see if pot a store. And if no pot na store, me just put my finger in my mouth, and me start suck my finger. Because me hungry. Yeah, me hungry. Jamaican parents who were under those tough rules, it has shaped us today that we can be the man and woman and grow our children in the right way. But you see some Jamaican parent, them not grow them children in the right way. And then them give them all sort of device and give them everything they want. And when they can't have it figure them and find it figure them, a problem. You see, one thing with we growing up, we live in our means. But not every children nowadays learn to live in their means. They want what parents cannot afford. And when parents try and give them, just to say they love them, I don't know. Then in return, if you can't give them, it's a problem. Them start tell parents how they hate them. And them are the wickedest thing that God made upon earth. Just because you didn't train them in the proper way to live within their means. I know everything children say they want, you're supposed to give them. Me no believe in that. Even if you can't afford it. You're going to love your child. You're going to protect your child. But there's a limit to everything. What if your child wants a pen and you can only afford a pencil? You go the extra mile to buy the pen and you can't afford it? People will learn to live within their means and teach your child to learn to live within their means, because they learn to satisfy from now. What you think are going to happen to them in the future? They're not going to be able to manage, because when them used to a certain lifestyle, them always want to maintain that type of lifestyle, and when they can't get it, them are going to thief. Them are going to take when no concern them, because them want the lifestyle we show them. Show them simple life. Everything educational. Give them a good education. Teach them the value of things. That when you go out, they go work so hard for what you want. And work so hard for pay the bills. Them have to help scratch your back in return. Help with the house chores, because them your picnic will come from Jamaica. Some of them are some of the laziest picnic. Them no want wash plate. Them no want clean house. You go out, they go work and tile off your behind and come in. And when you come in, you see the place look like a market truck. It can't work so. Parents, teach your child and your children to help in the home. Home are the first school. Help in the home. Everybody tired nowadays. Then tired more you we have work shift to shift and a jump from job to job and pillar to post. How then young people tired so? Them find every excuse in the book for you. Home should be a home. Welcoming to a mother and a father who toil to pay the bills in the home. One of my favorite words is, me always say, me not live in a shit house. Meaning, your place have to tidy at all times. Anybody can prop up, whoop, and you don't have to shame. Manners on these kids nowadays versus kids then. Some of these children, them not have no manners and no respect to parents. And when a parent has lost their value as being a mother and switch it to become a child, it is bad. Don't let the children be the parent and you be the child. Don't. Because these children will force you to be the mother. Force you to be the child and then be the mother. It can't work so. Grow your children or your grandmother grow you. I'm not telling you to whip them. That's not what I'm saying here. But grow them in the right way. That then can look back and say, my mother grow me decent, and I can pass it on to my children and my children. But when you open everything, give them like a book and your face say, you and your child should be sister. Or you and your child should be sister and brother. You know work so. Picnic salting share different. A mother must take responsibility and stop run from responsibility, because no for no young people who no love run from no responsibility too much. And no leave the device to grow the child. And when the device start take over the child and in the child head, you cannot get it out. After a mother of a child, your freedom not done, but there's certain things you cut off. If you love party, you need to pay attention to your child. Cut off some of the party business. Nobody now tell us if you hold. Nobody now tell us if you hold up yourself. But when you have child and children, you have to set a certain standard that children can emulate your character. Be careful the characteristic that you set. You are a mirror that your children is looking through. Our parents was our mirror. And look for we today. We no stoop to foolishness. No retreat. No surrender. Yes. And we grow with picnic good. But when these children are growing their picnic, and are nothing pretty. Some words that come out of these children's mouth are something where we never utter as a child. You want to hear for them argument. For them argument bigger than for me and fear. Yeah. Because from them reach height, them start get breasts. Them feel so them a big woman. Some of them pick me. In my days, Granny used to say, them a go light back lamp to find them. As some Dover man dog, them have to go put to find them. Some of them a pick me. But parents, I'm telling you, don't let the handle, don't hold the blade and the children hold the angle. You're going to be in problem. Because you cannot hit. That's a no-no. When you talk, they're not responding to you. They're not answering you. So you don't know what even in their thoughts. These nowadays children, some of them, may God help some of them parents are with them. Because if you don't mind shop, them beat off the parents. And them go on like a them a pay the bills. But me always tell my children, they gotta be good kids. Because guess what? Me we go train for them. Me always tell them, you know, me we go train for who know. Because me no play for karate. Me no play as little as me be. Short as me be. Me no play with the karate business. Me always tell them, so I get purple belt in a karate. I'm not preaching violence against children. But I'm saying that to say this. Children, respect your parents. Your parents go out there, go toil so hard to make you have food at your table. When you see other children tearing down their parents, don't join the clique. Be a set apart, be standard. Don't follow the crowd. Be a leader, not a follower. Because when you do these things today, guess what? Your child is going to come and do worse to you. So what you sow, you're going to reap. I believe from the bottom of my heart that every children should taken care of properly. Well fed, get the things that they need. I know everything them want, them I go get. The things that are essential and of value to that they want, they get it. But let them live within their means. Don't go overboard. Meaning that no go buy expensive sitting and you can't afford expensive sitting and tomorrow morning you not have the money to pay the landlord. Because the picnic want Gucci this and Rucci that. And big expensive this and big expensive that. Settle for what you can afford. You don't go want to know say if you buy one school bag, the bag a one good bag, when I go mash up. You not go buy the cheap one where I go break 2 days time. Buy one good sensible one. Because I used to buy cheap bag for my children in Jamaica, you know. And when me realize me have to end up go buy a bag again. So me say, make me buy the John Sport. You see when me buy the John Sport? All 3 here, the John Sport still a room. Because no every year you go get new bag. No, not every year. When my children's birthday, me not keep up the party. Party? What name so? I make a handmade card, happy birthday. And put some Janko bead on the card. Or dry the rose at petal and put on the card. Or make something out of matches stick. Yes, creative. So Christmas, I don't celebrate Christmas. But I'll give them a gift. I don't celebrate Christmas. I never put up a Christmas tree. I never put up a paper light. And I've never buy a doll for my daughter. None of them. No buy a doll. Mother always say, me a teach you if you go nurse baby when me give you a doll. so me never get a doll. So me no give them no doll. But today they can look back and say, yes, my parenting skill was tough. But they made it. They made it. It has reshaped them and shaped them for this world. Some things we see are galangins. Some galangins we see ya. Awolia. Eh? I love Jamaica. I not sell out Jamaica. I love Jamaica. But it's just a handle on the crime and violence. We are galang. But Jamaica still a keep. Jamaica still nice. Jamaica is always keeping. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this video. Please put a thumbs up. I thank you and I appreciate you. Have a happy holiday, compliments of the season.